Today I'm going to teach you how to make a text engine, part 1. So you have 3 options here. The first one is you can create your own font or use another Scratch font and create all of your costumes. You must be careful. Also, you'll want to make the color red for the second part in this tutorial series. Or you can go to my profile and remix my text engine tutorial assets, or backpack the text engine tutorial asset sprite. So let's get scratching. So let this load. Alright, so I'm going to save this as a copy. And you are welcome to delete the thumbnail sprite. Bye. Come on. Copy the project. Awesome. Now copied. Okay. So you want to make a new custom block and call it write with input of text, with a label of x, input of x, label of y, input of y. And don't hit run without screen refresh unless you want to type the text instantly. So here comes the easy part. Go to 0, 0. And then you want to create a new variable, call it I for all sprites. And then you want to set I to 1. Then you'll want to repeat the length of text. So they'll be looping till it finishes repeating the length of text, as it says. And what you're going to do is switch costume to letter I of text. Pretty simple. You want to create a clone of myself. Then change I by 1. Change x by 12. And then we need an if check. Oh, wait, before we do the if, just wait 0.01 seconds. Then the if will check if you're touching the edge. And if you are touching the edge, then change y by -13. And then you want to set x to the origin x. Now let's do a 1 green flag clicked. Right. Let's just say gibberish, because I want you guys to see that the power of how it can go to a new line. So it will center itself on new lines. Well, just because it sets it X to the original part. So let's just write text engine, then tutorial. Now, here's the fun bit. You'll want to check, well, actually, no, not check, a wait until, duplicate that, space key, or whatever key you want to go to the next piece of text. Wait until that key is pressed, then wait until it's not pressed. And then what you'll want to do is broadcast a new message known as clear, or named clear. Then when I receive clear, delete this clone. Now, we gotta just hide the original sprite, because then we'll have one extra letter, and we don't want that. And then when I start as clone hat block, show. Now, let's see how this is. So it'll type text engine tutorial. And now I'm gonna do a bunch of symbols, letters, and then all capital letters, and all lowercase. This will have to be at minus 230, y 160. So, text engine, tutorial. That's good. But we may want dy to upgrade to maybe 14. So let's play that again. Okay, negative 15. Let's try that one more time. Tutorial. Perfect. So this has been part 1 of the text editor tutorial. I hope I see you in part 2.